Want to create a perfectly sized 2x2 design in Canva? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. This is a super quick and easy process that only takes a few minutes, whether you're making stickers, buttons, labels, or any small square design. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Canva and heading to the home page. Once you're there, look for the Cool Custom Size button. This is where you'll set the exact dimensions for your design. By default, Canva uses pixels as the unit of measurement. To work in inches, click the drop-down next to px and select inches instead. This step is important so you don't have to manually convert measurements later. Now, enter 2 for both the width and height fields. This ensures your canvas will be a perfect 2-inch by 2-inch square, ideal for small designs that need precise sizing. Once those numbers are in, click Create New Design. Canva will instantly generate a blank 2x2 canvas ready for your creativity. From here, the fun begins. You can add text, images, or explore Canva's extensive library of templates, shapes, and icons to build your design. If you want your layout to look polished, make use of Canva's grid and alignment tools to keep everything centered and even. And don't forget, you can always adjust colors, add effects, or upload your own graphics to make your design stand out. That's it! You've just learned how to make a 2x2 design in Canva with perfect precision. With just a few clicks, you can create clean, professional mini designs for any purpose. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!